If your code isn't evolving, you're not just behind, you're prehistoric. Let's zoom into Coconut Creek's hottest web trends. First up, we've got progressive web apps, or PWAs. As fast as a cheetah and as reliable as your grandma's cookie recipe, PWAs are making a huge splash right here in Coconut Creek. Why? Well, they work offline, are super fast, and provide an app-like experience straight from your browser. Next on the trend train are APIs. Not just any APIs, but headless CMS APIs that give developers the freedom to create ultra-flexible content structures. Local devs are loving this because it lets them deliver richer, more personalized web experiences. Oh, and let's not forget about mobile-first design. With most of our local traffic coming from mobile devices, the focus is sharper than ever on making sites perform beautifully on smaller screens. Lastly, there's a big push towards sustainable web design. Yes, digital sustainability is a thing, and it's all about making sites energy efficient and leaner on data use, which is not only good for the planet, but also for user experience. To all the web developers out there in Coconut Creek, keep pushing the envelope and shaping the future of the internet.